and it's still loading in. I can't.
Dude, I really hope it works. Okay, what time is it? What time is it?
No.
9:51, guys. So we have like 10 minutes. We have to land at
That's
it.
the land here. No,
Yeah,
I'm landing Gerburger. At least getting the first test. Actually, no.
I'm
Should we
landing
land
Castle.
Castle? Should we
Someone
land
land
Castle? Got a
Castle.
rift.
Oh yeah, that's genius.
Yeah. No
Wait,
one
does
goes
the event still happen for? Yeah, it does. It does.
What time is it at 11?
If it's at
I'm
11,
going to
okay.
Castle. I'm going to Castle.
Everyone go to castle
Why do you think it's at 10 then?
because it's 1 p.m. Eastern time. That's 10 p.m. our time.
I
Bro,
got
there's a
full
bunch of
text.
YouTube live streams too, right now. You guys remember when they were streaming the volcano
Why are you
event?
in the island?
Yeah.
He thinks he's good.
No, Drake.
Drake, you're
Someone's
not.
landing here. I repeat, someone's landing here.
Oh God, it's a homo!
Is there no rift here? Actually, no. Should we just land junk? Because there might be balloons.
Nah.
We still have a lot of time to kill.
Carlos, hurry, Carlos, hurry.
I went
Guys,
junk.
The guy's on me. The guy's on me.
I said I'm going junk.
Nico, on me.
I'm
Stay
launch
here.
pad. I'm launch pad. I'm gonna start making my way up.
Bopped him once.
I got a stop. I got a scar.
He
Oh,
did.
perfect blade.
I hit him
Hopefully
twice.
you guys don't die.
Yeah, Carlos,
Jake,
don't.
hopefully,
don't-
Jake, there's going to be everyone on you.
So we're not.
Oh,
When
do
we
a circle.
look at
Do a circle.
guys, when we look at the event, we're not gonna like be right there. We're gonna look at a distance.
No, we have to.
Drake, do you remember that one guy who got 80 million kills? Look,
Yeah.
kill feed right
Elemental
now.
ray.
You guys see the
Elemental
kill
ray.
feed right now? Some dude just got 10 kills.
How?
Look at the kill feed. Look how crazy that's going right now.
Wait, so someone got 80 kills, you said?
Yeah, someone got the world record, but for solos. And it counts because it's legit.
Yeah.
Because no one there was helping him. It's just the event Fortnite is.
Hey,
Yeah.
Ben, I have a
Because it's not like it was cheap, but he still has the world record.
Guys, come by me, dude.
That was honestly worth it for being a
Ben,
dirtbag.
you're not blue chest.
Yeah.
What?
But then again, everyone will know you as a douchebag.
Guys,
Yeah, I'm
I'm
gonna
by the way.
Guys, we have to get a world record. We can do it.
No, we have
got
to watch
these new
this.
elemental ray.
How much
Carlos,
time
hurry
is
up, dude.
I'm looting everything, so like just in case there is an
how much
elemental
time?
ray.
No, we'll be able to kill him. Guys,
Yeah.
start making our way there. We got 6 minutes. Go to the mountain, Nico marked.
Because Ben, you have to understand, there's always a default.
Yeah, guys, go to the mountain.
Guys, stay together.
What
Carlos will
mountain,
behind them. He's so far back. We're here.
Yeah, I have a launch pad though. I have a launch pad.
It is a launch pad and probably balloons soon too.
Oh wait, no, I have a motorcycle. I could get it.
Oh, good point.
I don't have balloons surprisingly.
Stand still,
Balloons
stand
are like
still. This is like
so
300.
common.
Dude, stand
Nico,
still,
watch
man.
behind us.
That's a 300-meter snipe.
I'm sorry, dude. Yeah, at the exact time
Dude,
it was
the event's gonna
like,
happen in 5 minutes.
6 minutes.
Guys, I think there's a squad up here.
No, Nico, no. Ignore them.
Then let's go to another mountain.
No. Go to Gerber. Right here.
I'm just getting a lot of
You
mats.
didn't die,
I'm
though.
getting
Guys,
a
go
lot
to
of
Drake. Guys, go to Drake at Gerberger. Let's go.
mats. Ooh, we need snipers just in case like people are like pushing us.
I have a cross.
I have a hunting rifle.
I have a
We're
sniper.
good.
Bolty action.
I'm gonna break Gerberger. So
Ben,
many
how
rounds.
much time?
Do you know
Ben?
what? Do you know what Fortnite should add?
About 5
The
minutes.
backpack.
Guys, someone's on me.
Nico, back up. Nico, back up. Oh, I see you.
Nick, I'm coming as fast as I can.
There's just one dude.
The default.
Oh, it's a default.
Well, I mean, no, it's a tier 100 actually. It was a tier 100
Dude,
actually,
is
but
bad.
yeah, basically tier 100. They have the Jonesy, so they're defaults.
I have 2 medkits and 5 bandages.
We're good.
Hey Ben,
Carlos, hurry! 5 minutes.
I know, Ben. Exactly, like you said, 5 minutes. After you get bandages just in case the storm's not there. You have there's a
We
lot
have
of scenarios.
medkit.
Dude, We have 5 minutes left, man.
I have a
Carlos, come
campfire.
here.
Come on, circle. Be nice. Guys, look at the cube.
Okay.
It's dead.
Now I'm coming. Wait, actually no, the zombies too. They might drop some enemy.
Oh my god, this
Oh,
is...
shit.
Oh my god.
Zombie, dude.
Oh, there's actually
Okay,
zombies
okay.
here.
I need that.
Wait, this is
Don't
zombie.
bully me, zombies. I have to see them for the
I
last
need
time.
those. Why for the last time? What's gonna happen?
Carlos, 4 minutes. Run.
Ben,
He doesn't want
it's okay.
Guys, I have an
Okay.
amazing view. I have an
I'm
Don't
yelling
waste
at.
it, Drake. Don't waste
It's
it.
okay.
that.
It's okay.
I just wasted
Nico,
it.
what would you be pissed if I naded you right now? It may or may not have naded Nico. I said may or may not. I didn't.
I'm coming.
Ben, are you making a video of this?
No. Oh, that's a great idea.
That's a
This
great
will be very
idea.
good content. Okay, guys, so we're just camping here.
Oh yeah,
3
what's
minutes.
good, boys? Benny Boy here. Today we are doing a video on Fortnite, quick like 5-minute video, cause I think the cube event's happening. If it happens in an hour, I'm screwed, cause I gotta go to church. Boys, I think there's someone down there. Just launch random shots. We'll be fine. Just jump and chuck random.
There's something
shots.
gold over there.
Where?
Someone give me a
What?
sniper.
Probably a zombie.
Like it?
No, it's not a zombie. It has ammo next to it. Oh my,
Oh my God.
Ben.
Oh my god.
Guys,
Dude.
guys, 2 minutes, 2 minutes till.
To the fat event.
Ya nos vamos.
I'm gonna get rid of this pillow. I'm gonna put it on my back.
Okay. Either I
Guys,
play
swear
10.
for me to
I'm here.
Are you
I'm
here
here.
yet? Kid? Wait, let's make a quadruple 1x1 and just defend it. Yeah. No, not that high, Drake. What are you on?
It's not me, dude.
That's me.
Some kind of-
I just... Hello there.
I got this one.
Okay, this is pretty far of a distance. Nice.
Wait, hold
Look
on.
at it.
Place it. Guys, put pyramids down, by the way. Like this.
Oh, man. No. Look. Look. You could go far. You could go see.
Nah, I'm not.
Guys, it's about to get destroyed, dude.
Guys, everyone
Ben, look at it. You could go see. So good. Look.
2
Look at
minutes
it.
left.
Nico, let me out, kid. Yeah,
It's
that's right,
go time.
Nico, that's not
It's go time.
No, yeah, dude, we still have 2 minutes. We have a minute. 1 minute. 1 minute, dude.
It's in the circle.
It's in the middle of the circle. They're probably doing this on purpose.
Everyone, say goodbye to the cube. Oh God, Rifters! Start sniping! Start sniping! Jump!
Wait, Ben, give me that.
It's go time.
Really quick. I see someone and I just want to snipe them so much.
Fine, go, Nico.
Right, Ben. Watch south of us.
Cock him.
I see him.
Yes,
No!
No, Nico, no.
Nico,
Stop.
Nico, give me the
I
crossbow.
wanna
now,
go
Nico.
time.
Guys! It's almost time.
It's almost
It
time.
was,
Hopefully
what
it
time
is
is that?
time.
¿Pero a dónde vamos?
People are fighting, dude.
I hit a guy with the cube.
Guys, stop. Guys, it's 10. Will it do something? If it doesn't do
Oh, I
something,
hit a guy with the cube.
guys, it's beginning to drip. Wait, stop. Look, the last piece of it is falling out right now.
What are you talking about, Ben?
Look, it's doing something. Look. You see that last piece? It's like falling out right now.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, there's people on the island trying to snipe
What
us.
is happening?
I'm pretty sure it is.
Oh, I sniped a guy. 110.
Ben, don't shoot.
No, they're shooting at us. One of them just chucked a crossbow at me. Guys, it's lightning. There's lightning.
Dude, something's
Wait.
happening, man. Oh
This
my
event
god.
is gonna take a while. I'm calling it.
Watch as it's at 11. It's at 11.
I'm pissed.
It's at 11.
No, it's not. It's
Tyler,
not.
you get spectator.
You see the lightning kind of coming out of it?
Then
Heck?
it's
Oh,
10:01.
guys, it fell out! It fell out! It fell out! The cube's dead. Oh,
Oh.
something's happening, boys.
Dude.
Oh,
it's
God,
spinning!
it's happening!
It's spinning!
It's happening!
Spinning! What's happening? Oh, get
I want
closer!
that.
Get closer! Get
Get
closer!
closer.
Oh!
Oh,
You got me! Hey guys, hit the cube! $5. Anyone hits the cube?
Hit the cube! Hit the cube!
Hit the cube, God, it's happening!
Oh my God! What's
Hit
happening?
it.
No! Where are you going? No!
Guys, don't die, don't die. Guys, get on top of the house, get on top of the house.
Okay. Okay, don't panic. Don't panic. Okay. Land
Oh
here,
my
land
God,
here, land
dude.
here.
Oh, Jesus
Oh
Christ!
no!
Whoa! No! Where's it going? Where's it going? Whoa! What happened? What? I don't see anything.
What the heck is happening?
What? My guy's
Oh.
flying! My guy's flying! My guy's... Whoa! What's happening? Dude, what is this?
I recorded you.
What is this?
Oh,
is this?
oh my God!
Daryl,
Dude!
Daryl, win up, put it.
Oh my God! Dude, what is this? What is this?
Where are you guys? Where are you guys?
Broken!
Oh, no, event's happening.
Literally inside of the files of Fortnite. Literally right now, dude.
Honestly,
Where
dude.
are you?
New map, come
Where
on.
are you
today.
guys?
New map.
New map!
Where
Where
are
you
you?
guys at?
Guys,
We're going to the
new
center!
map.
Go to the center!
New
Oh God,
map.
we're glowing! Guys,
Something's happening. Something's happening.
something's happening to me! I'm going!
Ah.
Oh my God!
Oh,
Dude!
that's just crazy!
I see bright lights! I see bright lights! It's a rift!
It's a rift!
It's a rift!
It's
Carlos,
a
I see you!
buggy.
You moisty mermaid man,
I
I
know,
see
I
you!
know.
It's a butterfly.
It's a butterfly.
It's a butterfly.
Crazy!
I'm on top of it.
I'm
Wait, where is it?
literally
I lost
on it, dude. Do you see me?
There's a
Whoa.
butterfly on me.
See, dude? Whoa!
Hey,
Dude, it's on me!
This is the trippiest thing! Whoa, oh wait, that big when you were off, it might have been off.
I get it! Whoa! Butterfly!
Oh, the butterfly's touching me!
I know.
It's on you.
I have it.
No way, dude.
Oh.
What happened, dude? Why is everything so white?
What the heck?
Oh my God, dude! Look at it!
My
Look at
mic
it!
was
Gabriel.
Oh my God, dude! Look, everyone's coming here. Dude, we just witnessed this. We just witnessed this.
Kill everyone! Murder!
No, 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 don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
That is not okay. I'm down. I'm down. I'm down.
No!
No. Don't do it.
No!
Don't do it.
We're getting dead. Drake don't die. Drake don't die. Drake don't die. Drake don't die. Just look at the thing. Oh, wow. My mic was off for the recording, but it's fine.
It's so beautiful.
Drake, if you can res Carlos.
Does this have anything to do with a butterfly?
I don't care, dude. Why was there a butterfly? Oh my God, dude!
What was that?
Oh my God, dude!
Guys,
What?
let's go on again. Let's go on again.
Dude.
Yeah, go to
Okay,
another game.
Ben, we have to
Hold on.
publish this, dude.
That was lit.
I have to edit it first.
I'm not. I'm just gonna publish it right now.
That
Whoa.
was crazy. That was crazy. That was more crazy than the rocket event.